Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mandy. Thank you so much for being here. If you are new, welcome. I'd love to see you stick around, subscribe, and interact. That would be amazing. I love talking to each and every one of you guys, and I love to do giveaways, just letting you know. We're close to getting another one, so don't forget to subscribe. Today, we are going to be doing the Target Beauty Box, but I have two of them. Now they released two of them this month, and one is the Naturals box right here, and then this is the regular box. So we're going to start with the regular box. This is not a subscription, just so you know. It is something that you have to go into every month and in the beginning of the month and look for it and then order it. Generally they are $7. I do have a Target Red card, so that gives me, I believe, free shipping and 5% off. So I get these for like $6.50. Can't beat it. And they come so quick. So you order it and 2 days later, it's on your doorstep. And there's always such great stuff in these boxes. If you watch my videos, sometimes I don't post them, and I'll record them and not post them, which I don't know why. But if you do watch, and you have watched some of my Target videos, you'll see that I say $6.50, $7 over and over again. I try to stress that. All right, so let's go ahead. And these boxes are cute. I use a lot of these for Christmas presents. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so when you open it up, you always get a little card, and generally it matches your tissue. So there is, and it is full, you guys. There are your products that smell, oh, it smells so good. All right, so it says, out with the old, in with the new. Ditch the old school resolutions like losing that last 10 pounds, because we all know that doesn't work. Instead, make 2020 the year you elevate your beauty game. Whether you want to upgrade your skincare routine, show your hair some extra TLC, or simply pamper yourself, these hero products have got you covered. So there's that, and then you do get a coupon on the back for $3 off, and you have a list of products. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to get this out of the way because it's just toothpaste, but I love having this for travel, and this is the toothpaste that I used, so you can't go wrong. Crest 3D White Radiant Mint. Love this. Love getting that in these boxes because that always goes with me. Another thing I love getting in these boxes is shampoo and conditioner, and Target likes to seal them so that they don't fall or open in your box. So love that. All right, and so this counts, well, these are each one, but that, I mean, for, again, $7, does it matter? All right, so hair food, coconut and chai, that's what smells, that must, yeah, oh, it smells so good. Chai spice, sulfate-free shampoo, and hair food, coconut and chai spice, sulfate-free conditioner. Really nice. Sulfate-free coconut recipe nourishes hair and adds volume, leaving strands bouncy, luscious, and smelling delicious. Second that. I've never heard of this. Never heard of this brand. Sulfate-free, dye-free, paraben-free, mineral oil-free. And these are 3 ounces each. That, you get like, well, I do a couple uses out of these. So great right there. Love that. Definitely will use that. Even if you don't use it to travel, you still will use it. All right, moving on, we have, looks like a little sample thing here. Cream of Nature with argan oil from Morocco. Perfect edges, perfect hold, exotic shine, non-flaking. Okay, I guess it's a new product. Where are you? Infused with argan oil, controls and holds down edges while moisturizing and adding exotic shine, creating sleek, smooth styles. Okay. Apply to edges and smooth with fingertips, small toothbrush, okay, or brush for desired look and hold. I never thought of that, using a toothbrush for your ends. But, okay, so there's that. Don't mind that. I'm going to try to go over these little foil, because you always get a couple foil packets in here, in your boxes, but that's okay. So this one is a Cubella. I've had their masks, and I love their masks. This is limited edition watermelon peel off mask and cooling avocado clay mask. I'm down for that. So I thought this was shampoo. That's why I said I've had their masks. But these are masks. Refreshing watermelon adds a boost of hydration so your complexion looks brighter and blemish free, while avocado oil plus conditioning shea and coconut butter leaves skin soft and moisturized. putting masks in the fridge before applying for an extra cooling treat. So there's quite a bit in here. Definitely probably get a couple uses out of that. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. All right, the last little thing in here, and I've gotten this before, so this is definitely going to go right into a giveaway box because I have like 3 of these now. Not that it's not a good product, but I have 3 of these now. Number 7, Laboratories Firming Booster Serum. Clinically proven booster serum is specifically designed to target areas of the face most prone to loss of firmness. In just 1 week, skin looks toned and tighter. Don't know about all that, but it is a nice product. All right, so the last 2 things in here, I'm like super surprised to see, like super surprised to see in here, and it is Oil of Olay products, and there are 2 of them. What? $7? $7, you guys? What? Okay. I had to throw that in there because I said that earlier. So Olay Regenerist Whip Facial Moisturizer and Olay Regenerist Retinol 24 Night Moisturizer. The first one, innovative Active Rush technology, features a unique 3-dimensional structure that improves elasticity and diminishes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, so skin looks firmer and lifted. And the 24-hour retinol one, proprietary. I know how to say that. I'm not saying it right. Blend of vitamin B3 and retinol visibly improves fine lines and wrinkles overnight, so you'll wake up smoother, brighter, with younger looking skin. I'm going to open up one of these just so we can see the size, because these little boxes can be deceiving, and it's very deceiving. So they give you a little itty bitty little size. It has a little bit of a false bottom, but not much. Let's see, very little in there, but it is enough to travel with. So not going to knock it. I have used this before, and it is nice on the face. I've not used the retinol one, but I have used the whip one, and it is nice. And it's fragrance free, so you can't go wrong there. Yes, and that one's fragrance free as well. So, I mean, let's recap. You have 2 nice little travel moisturizers. I'm not going to be able to hold all this, so let's put it in the box so you can see it as I go through. And I save my little tissues for giveaways and stuff too. All right, so we have those 2 products. We have a travel toothpaste, which always gets used no matter what. We have the Cubella masks, which I am super excited for. I love their gold mask. We have 2 beautifully smelling shampoo and conditioner set right there. We have a Perfect Edges sample. And where is that number 7? Did I lose it? Okay, well, we have a number 7 thing somewhere, but I don't know where I put it. Okay, well, that other little thing. I can't believe I lost it that quickly. Maybe it fell on the floor. But anyway, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, because that's 2 masks, and 9 with the little number 7 thing. So for $7, you guys, that's freaking amazing. And you get a $3 coupon. So let's go through the Naturals box. I'm excited. Like, for both these boxes, less than $14 this month. That box killed it. Killed it. All right, so let's see what's in this one. Again, a nice box to keep and use. And this one's a little bit bigger, if I can hold it right. And this one's cute. I just wish they didn't put that right there, but that's okay. Who cares? All right, when you open it up, this one, say it kind of does match. And this is Clean Up Your Beauty Routine. I smell coconut, I think. From ingredient conscious formulas to recyclable packaging, there's no better time than now to give your beauty routine a clean start. But with so many options to choose from, picking the right products can be trickier than it seems. Thankfully, we tried, tested, and found some of the best, better for you brands that will make your complexion brighter, skin softer, and teeth whiter. So there's a toothpaste in here. Then again, you have your coupon and your items on the back. So a little quick sneak peek right there. All right. So when you order these, you do get to see what's in the boxes, but I don't ever remember, and I try not to really look at them. I just hit pay because that's me. All right, so the toothpaste is from Burt's Bees. I don't believe I've ever tried this toothpaste. I think I've gotten it before, and I'm pretty sure it's still in my giveaway jar. Fluoride-free, purely white Zen peppermint toothpaste. Fluoride-free toothpaste removes stains, surface stains, while Zen peppermint leaves breath feeling fresh and clean. Hello, gorgeous smile. Okay, so good start to the box. What is this big thing here? It has a save $2 now. Let's get that off of there so we can see the product. How do we get this off? Okay, get off of there. So that's nice if you love the beauty, the home, what is it? Home and Planet stuff. So there's a coupon for that. And this is huge, you guys. And it's, oh, it's laundry detergent, and it's 4 times concentrated laundry detergent. What? And what? Okay, I'm definitely trying this. I'm trying this today because I'm getting ready to clean too. Love Home and Planet laundry detergent, lavender and argan oil. A little goes a long way for perfectly clean clothes with our concentrated laundry detergent. It's made with plant-based cleansers and so smart it detects the type of stain it encounters to cleanse effectively yet gently. Plus, it's vegan and cruelty-free. Blended with ethically sourced Moroccan oil, argan oil extracts, and infused with the calming scent of French lavender? French lavender? Okay. 10 loads, it says. 10 loads, you guys. There is 8 fluid ounces in this. What? Okay, so that's a first. I've never seen a laundry detergent come in a box. Excited for that. All right. I did smell coconut. I told you I smelled coconut. I could smell coconut. All right, so this is Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula. So, I'm sure we've all seen this. Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula Body Lotion. Organic extra virgin coconut oil and Tahiti I don't know. Provide 24-hour hydration, leaving skin soft, supple, and silky smooth. And that is 1.7 fluid ounces. Okay, moving on. I've gotten this before. I don't like them. And they are cotton rounds. It's like a filler, but whatever. So that's in there. I've gotten this. I'm not too great about this. I don't like using these kinds of deodorants, but I do use them for giveaways. So this is Native Deodorant Mini Charcoal. Try the aluminum and paraben-free deodorant with over 5,000 5-star reviews. Native deodorants are safe, simple, and effective. Long-lasting odor protection that goes on smooth and smells addictively good. Native charcoal deodorant has a mineral scent with citrus undertones and the power of charcoal. Okay. I'm trying to get through. I don't want to keep you guys too long on a Target box. So this one is something new that I've never seen either. Shower sheets. Uni Travel Shower Sheets Body Wipe. Oversized, super soft, moist body wipes made with natural purifying neem, N-E-E-M, peppermint, and citrus smell delicious and instantly cleanse. So you'll feel fresh and clean anytime, anywhere. Okay, so there's that. All right, a couple more items in here. We've got a foil. We've got 2 foils, so we'll go with the real foil first. And this is Lumen. They put this stuff in the boxes a lot. Nordic Sea. What is this? Arctic Berry Oil Cocktail. Replenishing blend of vitamins, omega fatty acids, and pure Arctic spring water perfectly hydrates skin, revealing a radiant velvety complexion. Okay. Shake well. How are you going to shake this? Okay. So there's that. And then there's this little guy from Myers, which is kind of cute. I've never seen like a little package like that. Where are you at? Miss Myers Oat Blossom Hand Soap. Good to travel with. Again, special recipe of aloe vera gel, olive oil, and unique blend of essential oils creates a non-drying, softening cleanser for even the busiest of hands. And then we have one more item in here, and it is again, I'm trying to talk too fast, stumble over my words, Lumen, I don't know how to say that, Lumen, Nordic Sea Cleansing Balm, right? Yes. All right, Arctic Cloudberry Seed Oil, Radiant Enhancing Nordic Sea Complex and Vitamin C, instantly energize and smooth skin for a brighter, younger looking complexion. And there is 0.5 fluid ounces in that. So let's recap our $7 box. We have a cleansing balm. We have a Palmer's coconut oil. We have a deodorant. We have a stupid round, which I don't count that, but whatever. We have a nice travel size toothpaste. We have another, what is that? That's a moisturizer, I believe. A nice little travel hand soap. We have a travel wash yourself thing. And we have a laundry detergent for $7. And this is the all natural box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and this would be 9. I don't really want to count that. So if you're planning on like going somewhere, I would absolutely 100% tell you to get a Target box, because you probably will use most of the items that are in there for your trip. I think it's well worth it. I think if you know, just the fun of getting a box, I would definitely do it. I enjoy opening these boxes and getting them every month. I know a lot of people do. If you get the Target boxes, please let me know. I'd like to know if you guys get the same thing as me. And I just love it. So thank you guys so much for being here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave me a comment. Also hit that notification bell and help get me, you know, that way I get out there better. And other than that, you guys, again, thank you so much for being here. I will see you in the next one. Have a fantastic day, you guys. Bye.